Hi everyone, this is a Math 082 video, 3.4 Introduction to Polynomials. So in my first video, I discussed polynomials and talked about how to identify and distinguish them from other functions. Now we're going to move forward and we are going to practice evaluating polynomials. So we're given the polynomial 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. And we're asked to evaluate the polynomial when x equals -4. All that means is that wherever I see an x, instead of writing x, I'm going to write a -4 instead. Make sure as you go through and write this, you also use parentheses appropriately. Okay. So -4 quantity squared, that's the same as -4 times itself, or -4 times -4. So that's going to give me 2 times 16, or 32. Okay, then we have two negatives, so a negative times a negative becomes a positive, so this becomes positive 16. So I'll bring that down here. Okay, and then we have plus 6. So let's add this together. 32 plus 16 is 48, and 48 plus 6 is 54. So the solution to this polynomial is that if x is equal to -4, then this entire expression here would be equal to 54. Let's try another example. This polynomial asks us to evaluate -x squared plus 2x plus 6 when x equals -3. So this time, notice as I write this, that negative sign is outside of the parentheses. It is not inside the parentheses. So wherever I have an x, instead of writing my x, I'm going to fill in a 3. Okay, again, the negative is on the outside. So I have -9 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, -9 plus 6 is -3. -3 plus 6 is 3. So that means that this polynomial, evaluated at x equals 3, is equal to 3.